Greeting and welcome guys. In this video, we're gonna show how to change the setting with layout 4 and publish the slider on the page. In the last video, we learned about how to create a slider with layout 4. You can find the link below in the description or click on the card to view that video. Step 1. Log into your website, go to the Slider Factory Pro menu page. Click on the All Slides shortcode button, presented on the right top corner of the Slider Factory page, and then, click on the Edit button of the Layout 4. Go to the Slider Settings section. Now we are able to configure slider settings. Using width setting, you can set width of the slider in pixels or percentage. Using height setting, you can set height of the slider in pixels or percentage. Slider height, define the slider container height. Define the slider minimum height in pixel, it is optional. Autoplay setting, enable or disable automatic slideshow. Enable or disable automatic slideshow on mobile phone. Autoplay speed, control the slideshow speed. Animation time per slide. Speed of the sliding effect. Select the image alignment for the slide. Portrait mode, if enabled, the images will not be cropped. Select the easing effect animation for the slide. Select the easing effect animation for the slide on mobile. Select the animation effects effect for the slide. Select the animation effects effect for the slide on mobile. Select the number of columns in grid animations. Select the number of rows in grid animations. Animation time for each grid in grid animation. Select the number of columns in sliced animations. Select the number of rows in sliced animations. Enable or disable autoplay on mouse hover on the slide. Enable or disable pause on mouse click on the slide. Loader type, select the slide loader type. Choose the loader color. Choose the loader background color. Set the diameter of the pie loader. Pie loader position. Bar loader direction. Bar loader position. Enable or disable next or previous buttons on slides. Show next or previous buttons only on hover. Show next and previous buttons only on hover for mobiles. Enable or disable play and pause button on slides. Select the pagination style. Captions settings, show the title and description on mobile screens. Slide order by setting, allow to set the loading order of the slides into the slider. Using custom CSS setting, you can apply own design on slider elements. Click on Update Slider button, and go to Created Slider page. And refresh the page. Thanks for watching the Slider Factory Pro Layout 4 Settings section video documentation. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates. Also, share the video on social platforms with your friends.